Imagine turning one video into multiple pieces of content in less than 10 minutes. So, if you're a business owner or a creator struggling to keep up with your content but always feeling burnout, then this video is for you. So, make sure you do subscribe if you want to grow your businesses online and see more videos like this. So, the first step is for you to go to youtube.com and search for any creator you want to transcribe the video, any video you want to transcribe, whether it's your own or other people's, other creators. It does not matter, but I recommend transcribing your own, since you want to repurpose your own content so that it will fit your tone, your style, and how you resonate with your audience. So I'll go to my own YouTube channel right now, Mr. Joe Media, and pick one of the most popular video and use it as an example. So you click on the most popular video and it will bring out all the popular video or the most watched video on your YouTube channel. So I think the first one is the one I'm going to go with. I think got 16 views and it was posted about 2 months ago, right? So you click on it and click on the share button and copy the link to that video. Open up a new tab and search for YouTube transcript downloader. So the first site that will pop up is the one we're going to use, YouTube transcript.io. Does not require no login, no creating of accounts before you can be able to transcribe any video. Just completely free and does not have limits as of the time I'm recording this video. So you paste your video link and click extract transcribe and it will start the process. You wait for it, it will take no less than 10 seconds to 15 seconds, and boom, our transcript is ready. You can click on the copy icon or the download icon, or you can click edit to add any text or remove any text you like. And after you have edited your script finish, you can click on the download and it will download it as text file, or you click on the copy button and copy it somewhere inside Google Docs or Microsoft Word or anywhere that you can save it. So for this video I'm just going to use Microsoft Word document. So the next step is for us to repurpose the transcript into multiple content formats like article, blog post, short form content, script, or email copy. So open ChatGPT and paste this prompt you are seeing on the screen right now. Keep it simple, no complicated process or thing. You can also get this prompt at on my Access Hub page, link inside the description, and click enter. And it will ask you to provide your YouTube transcript, paste your YouTube transcript when you are set. So we're going to copy the YouTube transcript from transcript.io now, copy it and paste it here and click enter. And it's going to ask you again what type of content format do you want it to create. Is it short form content, social media post, email copy, blog post, or which type of content you want it to repurpose it? So I'm going to copy the first one, short form content, and paste it here. You can describe the style that you want, the tone of your brand. If it is for a specific platform like Instagram only, you can just inside the bracket just put Instagram only and click enter. And it will write 5 short form content that you can post on each platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you can see that it's the topic. The YouTube algorithm is not your audience, why your videos are not getting views. These are all aligned with the YouTube script I put in. If you check very well, if you go back to the transcript and compare it, yes, they are almost the same. So it's still the same video that you put in, that is dividing it into the amount of content that you want it to repurpose. So we're going to ask it to write social media post for us again that we can post from on our platform. Is different from the short form content. The short form content is just like short form video. Yes, that's what I mean, short form video. So I think it has come up with a social media post, and it's even suggesting that if it could adjust it to fit in LinkedIn, to be more professional, to fit in with LinkedIn, or to make it an Instagram post. So I'll ask it to write me the Instagram cursor again, to come up with ideas that you can put on your slides, on your picture, before you can post it. Also, you can tweak around this thing, ask it what type of content you want. Just ask it the platform you are going to be posting on, suggest it, tell it, so that it will know how to optimize it for SEO. And also you can use cloud AI for this also. And let's try the email copy and see. You pasting. Now write me an email copy for this video for my audience, and to nurture my audience. Right, you create a video on YouTube, you repurpose it into short form video clips, YouTube short form clips on Instagram. It leads to your landing page. They sign up and put their email. Then this is where the email copy starts working. It's just for follow up. The email might sound robotic, but you have to retry again and again and again until you fit this style, or you can adjust it to your own style when you are editing it in Google Docs or Word document. One more thing, let's turn it into a blog post that we can post on our blog. If you're a business owner running a blog, I think this will be you know more of advantage for you, because it seems like you're everywhere: YouTube, social media, email, and blogs. So you can connect with your audience almost everywhere, anytime. Right? You just wait for it to create. And yeah, we have it again. I think the truth about the YouTube algorithm, what every creator must understand. You can post it, it rank on Google, drive traffic to your landing page also. This will also help. If you check the YouTube transcript script very well and go through this article, you know that yes, they are the same self. So I'll copy it and open new document again and paste it inside. Everything in this chat about this video. So first I'll paste the blog post. It will take time, so I'm just going to fast forward this place, but you calm down and do it whenever you are doing it on your own, so that you don't make any mistake or your content will not feel robotic. If I'm creating this for a client right now, it will take me like uh like 30 minutes to do, because you will need to calm down and do it very very well, so that your content will not sound like AI slop, right? So after the end of the day, you can now save it as Word document or PDF and send it to a client, or use it as your own, use it as an idea for your business, as a script for your business, content for your business, your agency, or whatever you're doing, right? So that is how you can turn one piece of content into multiple pieces of content for your businesses or your brand or your agency or whatever you're doing online. Make sure you do subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Peace.